Hi everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel, Bullink Digital Solution. Bullink Digital Solution is a digital marketing consultancy that offers the following services. Drive online brand through strategic marketing. The second is search engine optimization, SEO. The third is social media management for businesses and social media marketing. The fourth is data-driven marketing initiative. The fifth is affiliate marketing. Above all, we train staff for corporate businesses and also individuals who either want to freelance, build a career on digital marketing, or individuals who want to manage their online businesses themselves. Wow, that simply means that Bullink Digital Solutions serve both educative and business purposes. Therefore, expect our videos every Mondays and Thursdays. We promise to give you mind-blowing content and educative materials on digital marketing. We also wish to partner with you in promoting your businesses online. Kindly hit the subscribe button and be part of our story. Remain blessed. Thank you.